everybody. Just wanted to give you a little information about vitamin B12. There was a research study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition that showed about 4% of females ages 40 to 60 are actually deficient in vitamin B12. And so if you also are on certain medications like acid reflux medications and things like that, it can also decrease your vitamin B12 levels. Also, if you don't eat meat, so a lot of vegetarians, vegans have trouble with this as well. So vitamin B12 is great to increase your mood, metabolism, your energy, and it also helps with women who have a lot of pigment, so people with melasma and things like that. So that's one of the many reasons that we love our vitamin B12 injections. It's a very quick and easy procedure. It's just like getting a flu shot. You just get a little bit injected right into the muscle in your arm, and that's it. So if you are interested, come on down, or you can book online, www.drmoran.co, or we're at 97 Union Street in Newton Center, and we'll see you soon.